I do not know. I do not check to make sure that that door is closed. That door literally stays open all the time. Anyway, good morning. It's really late. I look so awake because it's 5:47, which is like so late for me, but I don't care. I don't have worry in the world because I'm making the fastest, quickest lunch, yummiest lunch that I'm excited about. And when I get excited, you know I'm usually making a smoothie. And we're making a smoothie. I think we're just gonna do a smoothie in the sandwich today. I think I'm gonna hold back the temptation to add chips to it. Anyway, so it's gonna be quick though, because again, it's late, but it doesn't matter. All right, this is everything we need. Very, very simple. I call it a FRENCHIE. So I'm gonna use a ciabatta baguette, which normally I use a French baguette, but the store was out, so ciabatta it is. So I'm slicing it just down the center and going to open it up and lie it flat so that I can apply my one condiment, which is butter, which adds this subtle richness to the sandwich, which seems so strange, but it really does. And then I'm just gonna double over some hard salami, and that's gonna be my first layer. And then my next layer is this turkey breast that's lined in like a 3-pepper blend, which is really got some bite to it. And then some spinach because I can't help myself. I always like to add vegetables, and a plain provolone cheese. And that's it. Not smoked or anything fancy like that. Now I'm just closing it up, and look, here we're ready to go. Look at this mamma jamma of a sandwich. So delicious. Okay, so I have 2 sandwiches. This one I'm gonna put away for later. That's why I didn't put spinach on it. And this one I'm gonna cut and wrap up. Okay, now it's my favorite time, smoothie time. Okay, let me calm down. Okay, so I'm gonna add 3 cups of an almond milk and then 2 cups of ice. And to that, I'm going to add another 2 cups of frozen berries. And it's pretty important that they're frozen because you're going to want this thing to be frosty at school like in 6-7 hours from now. And so you need the frozen ice and the frozen strawberries. Now for the sweetener, I'm adding 1 cup of strawberry jam. Gonna blend it all up, and it's actually pretty thick. So I'm having to grab my little blender tool thing and trying to get it to go around that blade, and it's moving, but it's still pretty thick, almost like ice cream, just a little bit thinner. So I'm going to thin it out. You can use water. I had some cranberry juice in the refrigerator, that's what I'm using. You can use apple juice, whatever juice you have, and if you don't have any, use water. It's good. And now I'm immediately pouring them into my stainless steel thermoses. And it's worth being noted that close them up, it's gonna stay frosty. It looks like it's pouring out pretty fast and they're not thick, but they're just thick enough and they'll stay just like this in time for lunch. So you see here, man, this was a delicious lunch and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.